Here at Telly Wall Install, our goal is to exceed our customers' expectations. We service the Metro Atlanta area and surrounding counties, which include Gwinnett, Forsyth, Rockdale, Fayette, and Douglas County. We specialize in TV installations on drywall, stone, or brick. We professionally conceal and hide all wires. We customize home theaters to each client's vision, from 5.1, 7.2 surround sound, fixed screens, motorized screens, recessed speakers, and rope lights. We also install surveillance systems for commercial and residential purposes because we know the importance of protecting your family and your business. No job is too big or too small for Telly Wall Install. Call us today to schedule your install at 770-648-3737 or visit our website at tellywallinstall.com.